In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HyperX Cloud Stinger to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to properly set up your HyperX Cloud Stinger headset to be used on your iPhone. The HyperX Cloud Stinger is primarily a wired headset designed to be used on a PC or laptop. Now, most iPhones will be able to detect the HyperX Cloud Stinger, but because it needs to be connected into a 3.5mm headphone jack, you won't be able to do it directly, so you will have to use an adapter. The easiest way by far is to use a Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. If you have an alternative model of the Cloud Stinger, either the wireless one or if you are using USB, you just need to purchase the necessary adapter. So essentially, you have to purchase the adapter that allows you to connect the connector of the HyperX Cloud Stinger to your iPhone, whatever that is. Like I said, usually if you are using the base model of the HyperX Cloud Stinger, it is the Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. So plug one end into the iPhone and another one into the headset. Once this is done, you are basically good to go. It should be instantly detected and you will be able to use it on your iPhone. Keep in mind that there might be some limitations, primarily the microphone. There is no guarantee that the microphone is going to work, but the audio should as soon as it is plugged in with the proper adapter. So keep that in mind. The workarounds might affect the audio quality and the features, and essentially, you will still be able to use it as a standard headset. If it doesn't work, it could indicate a problem with the adapter that you are using, so make sure that you purchase a high quality adapter. And if you want to troubleshoot, you can try connecting it to a different device to ensure that the headset is working properly. But as long as you use the right adapter, it should be detected for audio as an output device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect HyperX Cloud Stinger to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.